Welcome back to VST channel, guys. This here is the Samsung Earbuds 2 Pro, and yeah, an update has been released. So in this video, guys, I am going to install this update and also try to demonstrate the latest feature. Why? Because apparently Samsung is on an update spree after the June update, which is more like a miss and hit. But now for the Buds 2 Pro, they added Sharpen call sound, which is useful in noisy places. We're just gonna try to test this. They also added extra high ambient volume for hearing enhancements, guys, which means that basically we are getting new features, or at least new tweaks for our beloved Samsung Buds. The version is AWF4, which is really interesting. Remember, AWF1 was the one that I got here, the June update. Size is 5.8, almost 6 megabyte, guys. As I speak with you, I'm gonna hit the update button. I'm gonna download and install the update, guys. We're gonna review the latest options. Yeah, please feel free to sub if you like content like this. The update has been now installed, guys, so in order for me to connect my buds, I just need to open the lid. Of course, clever smartphone will recognize that my buds are connected, and I can now just also go one more time inside earbud software and make sure that there are no more updates. So apparently the AWF4 is the latest one. Now, how can we know that we got the latest settings, guys? Just go to your headphones, right? And you should be able to immediately start using the latest settings. As we know from the changelog, we have now more options on noise controls. Now we have to just do a short recap, guys. Usually when you use the Buds 2 Pro, you're gonna have two options. I've now put my headphones inside my ears, guys, and if I'm to click here, active noise cancellation. And then we have also ambient sound, which will amplify my voice as I speak to you. Now, where are these new settings? Remember, they are in the lab section. So we need to go inside the earbud settings and we need to go inside labs. So the previous version of the update only allowed to choose gaming mode, which is reducing the latency when you're viewing content on your phone or in playing games, and this other thing called double tap earbud edge, which I'm not using, but it's kind of like an advanced gesture for you to try to minimize volume and whatever. The new settings are here. First one is called Sharpen call sound, boost call clarity, most useful when you're somewhere noisy and using earbuds, uses more battery. Okay, so this is just an on and off function, guys, doesn't have any kind of tweaks, and I'm gonna be testing this. The other thing is called hearing enhancements. High and extra high volume are intended to make background sounds easier to hear for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. To prevent high-pitched feedback at these volumes, check your earbud feed and make sure not to cover the microphones. So the moment you click here on extra high ambient volume, all right, I can already even hear my volume just being so much amplified inside my own ears. Ambient sound, amplifying ambient sound. And we now get this very brand new menu, guys, where you can apparently also tweak in the left or right amplification sound volume. And also, guys, try to go for an adapt ambient sound. Depending on your hearing, it might be difficult to hear sounds around you. Adapt ambient sound is tuned to your ear so that your Galaxy Buds can actually help you to hear the sounds around you. You can now test your earring. After this calibration, you guys should be able to go between standard and adaptive. I'm gonna use the adaptive one. And then when you press next, guys, yep, you have the options to just switch ambient adaptive sound to standard or to the adaptive, and also try to limit it. Now, if you want to stop it, okay, right now I'm gonna have like just the standard ambient sound, so now it's off. And now I'm going to test the Sharpen call sound. It is already on, and I have called a friend to confirm how he is able to hear me. By the way, you cannot turn this setting off while in a call. And by the way, I'm also playing, guys, crowd noise, so it's really crowdy where I am to simulate that I am in a crowd environment. So I'm just asking my test subject how he can hear me. And then, guys, I'm gonna turn off this feature, call him once more time and just ask him what is better. But I'm not gonna tell him, when the feature was on and off. Alright, guys, I'm now on a call with my test subject, and by the way, he's not able to confirm if he can hear me better or not. So subjectively, it seems that the Sharpen call sound doesn't really introduce a groundbreaking change to the way people can hear when you're in a crowded environment, but it's nice that Samsung are trying. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like tech content like this, don't forget to sub, right? So I would only say that the hearing enhancements update is definitely better than the Sharpen call sound, but again, nice for Samsung trying to really provide us with more features. Stay safe guys, VST over and bye.